In the world of retail, two platforms stand out as leaders: Shopify and Quickbooks POS. Shopify, hailing from the Great White North, is a top-notch e-commerce platform that empowers businesses of all sizes to create their unique online stores. It's more than a Canadian success story, it's a global phenomenon that has seen exponential growth, becoming a household name in the realm of e-commerce. Now, let's shift gears to Quickbooks POS. Developed by Intuit, this point-of-sale solution is a game-changer for small and mid-sized businesses. It simplifies the retail process, making transactions as easy as pie, and it's a tool that businesses worldwide have come to rely on. Both of these platforms, Shopify and Quickbooks POS, have significantly impacted the retail landscape. They've each found their niche, serving different needs for various businesses. Both Shopify and Quickbooks POS have carved out significant spaces in the market, but how do they compare? Let's begin with Shopify, a platform that is not without its strengths and weaknesses. On the plus side, Shopify is renowned for its user-friendly interface, making it easy for even beginners to set up their online store. No coding skills? No problem. With a wide range of themes, both free and premium, you can design your store to reflect your brand's personality. Not to mention, Shopify's customer support is top-notch, ready to help you navigate any hurdles 24/7. However, no platform is perfect, and Shopify is no exception. One common complaint is the transaction fees, which can add up if you're making a lot of sales. Additionally, while Shopify is great for simple to moderately complex stores, it may not offer enough functionality for very complex or highly specialized stores, potentially limiting your growth potential. Shopify, while a strong contender, does have its limitations. Quickbooks POS, on the other hand, presents a different set of strengths and drawbacks. A major benefit of Quickbooks POS is its seamless integration with QuickBooks accounting software. This makes it a powerhouse for managing finances, as it allows for real-time tracking of sales, customers, and inventory. Moreover, Quickbooks POS boasts a robust inventory management system. It keeps tabs on quantities, alerts you when stocks are low, and even generates purchase orders automatically. And let's not forget its in-depth reporting. With Quickbooks POS, you can generate detailed sales, inventory, and customer reports that can help drive strategic decision-making. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Quickbooks POS comes with a higher price tag compared to other POS systems. Furthermore, it's not the most beginner-friendly platform out there. It has a steep learning curve, which can be a deterrent for those just starting out. Quickbooks POS offers a lot, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. So, when it comes to Shopify versus Quickbooks POS, which one takes the cake? That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Let's break it down. Shopify shines as an all-in-one solution for small businesses or those just starting out. With its user-friendly interface, affordable plans, and a plethora of features, it's like a Swiss Army knife for e-commerce. It's got everything you need to set up an online shop and start selling right at your fingertips. On the flip side, we have Quickbooks POS. This solution is a powerhouse for businesses that need more robust accounting and inventory management. It's like having a personal accountant and stock manager all rolled into one, ensuring your numbers are always accurate and inventory is always up to date. So, who's the winner? Well, that depends. Both platforms offer unique strengths, catering to different business needs. Ultimately, the choice between Shopify and Quickbooks POS depends on your business needs.